Okay, YouTubers, this is a range report video featuring my first time AR-15 build. As you may recall from my previous videos, I built this AR using an Anderson Manufacturing blemish lower receiver, though I still cannot find the blemish. I used a Palmetto State Armory lower parts kit with the Black Hawk stock and ergo grip. The upper is the Palmetto State Armory premium upper chromoly vanadium 1 in 7 twist 16-inch mid-length upper, F2 front sight, chrome lined, regular old hand grips that eventually I'll change out to the Magpul so I can put rails on it. You can see the Palmetto State Armory logo there. As far as the bolt carrier group, I also went with Palmetto State Armory's premium bolt carrier. You can see the logo there. Of course, the barrel and the bolt carrier group is all high pressure tested, magnetic particle inspected, so we're good to go there. I am really pleased with this build, but what I'm more pleased with is the range report. You'll see in just a few seconds here some video of me and my buddy shooting our AR-15s. He was shooting his 6 Hour AR-556, I believe it is. Me shooting my Palmetto State Armory / Anderson Manufacturing build. Couldn't tell a difference. This thing shot perfectly. I put more than about 120 to 150 rounds through it. I put tool ammo steel case. I put the new Perfecta, which as you may know, is distributed by Tool Ammo. So in all practical purposes, it is Tool Ammo. I put its brass max through it. I put Federal 55 grain 223 ammo through it. It ate everything up. I was able to zero my weapon with 6 shots. The first 3 shots were a little bit to the right. I moved it over a few clicks and boom, right in the center with the next 3. From there on, I just began rapid firing. I'll include a photo of my target that I used to zero with as well. So that's it. Next up, the range video. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe. AR-15 build. Of course, I ain't fast because I don't have a holster.
Right.
So YouTubers, this is my zeroing target that I use to zero my new AR-15. You can see here, this group represented my first 3 shots to see where I was at 25 yards. I moved my rear sight over, I believe it was 4 clicks, and that put me right here, almost dead center, so I was happy. I mean, I'm not the best shot with the rifle, but hey, it worked. So I was zeroed with 6 shots, and then I went to town. So that's it.